Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car radio antennas in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car radio antennas that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the AntennaMastsRus Original 6 3/4 inch internal copper coil premium reception. This antenna is one of the best in its category. Its engineering and solid construction make it a must-have for Ford truck owners. The manufacturer provides a user guide with step-by-step instructions, making installation easy. You can install the bullet-style antenna outside your Ford truck. It works in any weather and picks up radio signals in the air in bad weather, thanks to its highly conductive copper wires. Made with 304 stainless steel threading and EPDM rubber, the antenna is extremely durable. It is car wash proof, so you don't have to worry about coming back from the car wash without an antenna. The rubber used to make it can withstand temperatures of up to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving on at number 4, we have the AntennaMastsRus AM/FM antenna kit. This is a heavy-duty antenna that is designed primarily for marine use but that could also work equally well on a road vehicle. It stands 13 inches tall and comes with a long 55 inches cable that makes installing it simple. We like the way the antenna is made of durable rubber that is flexible enough to bend but still stiff enough to stand up to strong winds. It also features a swivel base that allows you to adjust the angle through 180 degrees, so you can easily find the best position. Another advantage is that it is extremely shallow, requiring only 1 inch to install it. It features a standard Motorola connector, making it compatible with all stereos sold in the US. The reception is good, too, and will allow you to pick up a radio signal without any problems. At number 3, we have the Bingfu Universal Car Stereo Antenna. If you like the sound of the antenna from Bingfu we just looked at, but you prefer an external model to an internally mounted version, this unit from the same company might be a better option. This unit includes many of the features that make the internal model such a good pick. It is a universal antenna that can be connected to just about any kind of in-car stereo system as well as radios on boats etc. The frequency range is the same, picking up FM radio on frequencies 80 MHz to 108 MHz and AM radio on 520 kHz-1710 kHz. It stands 12 inches high when mounted and includes a 10 feet cable to facilitate installing it in your vehicle. Installation is made particularly easy by the fact that it has a magnetic base. This allows you to fit it to your car in a temporary way, great if you don't want to make more permanent modifications to your vehicle. At number 2, we have the Linkstyle 16.9-inch car FM/AM radio antenna. This is a very inexpensive replacement antenna that is designed to be fitted to the top of a car's roof. It is made of durable rubber, ensuring it will last a long time, and it is also highly flexible, so it won't break if someone leans on it or if it catches on a low overhead barrier. We like the way that it's simple to install, and it includes a long 53.5 cable to make fitting it to your car even easier. When you install it, you can also swivel it to adjust the angle, giving you increased versatility over how you install it. The height of the antenna once in place is 16.9. Above all, it does the job it is intended to do. It is supposed to be a simple antenna that you can fit to your car if your old one is broken. It isn't designed for high levels of performance, but if you just need a regular antenna that will allow you to pick up radio, this one works well. And finally at number 1, we have the car radio antenna, Kennso. This is a car radio antenna from Kennso for internal installation. It is easy to assemble and fit. You simply attach it to your windscreen and plug the other end of the wire into your car's cigarette lighter for power. We like the small size of this unit that makes it easy to conceal. When installed, it is discreet and will hardly be noticeable. It comes complete with a 5 meters (16.5 feet) wire, also giving you an extra level of convenience when it comes to installation. The antenna features a built-in amplifier to help boost the radio signal it receives, giving you an even clearer reception. In terms of the antenna's construction, it is made from high-quality ABS plastic that is rugged and durable. At the same time, it is non-toxic, so you won't have to worry about this item having any negative effects on your health. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.